The 3D laser level is an array of horizontal, aligned, square and vertical by generating three 360 degrees laser planes, one horizontal and two vertical, one 360 degrees horizontal plane, and two 360 degrees vertical planes enable users to cover floors, walls, ceilings around the room. Two vertical lines intersect at a 90 degrees angle, allowing users to quickly visualize and complete a square layout. The whole peculiarity of this laser level lies in the special design of the prism that receives the concentrated laser beam. Due to this structure of the prism, and the laser beam passing through the top of the cone, forms an elliptical laser plane that scans 360 degrees. The Huber 3D laser level is also known as a 12-line laser level, and one 360 degrees horizontal, and two 360 degrees vertical laser lines can be individually selected according to the job site application. In addition, the upgraded model also adds Bluetooth and remote control functions, making work more convenient and simple to complete.